Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, money team? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What is going on, my money? Making friends. It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bowl DOD Trading. Hope you're all having a great morning so far. Let's get it. Sorry, we're on this a tad bit later. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, and let's do this. Boom! Okay, what's going on? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Already been a great trading day. Damn, it's early too. What's up, Hangman, Steph, J-Rod? What's good, everybody? What's up, what's up, what's up? Maybe I'll change my team. What's up? What's good, what's good, what's good? Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm a tad bit late to the party today. Tad bit late to the party. What's up, Grizzly Glauk? What's up? What's happening?
Not much, man. Just ready. Hopefully catch a trade today. Only had one trade this week.
Grizzly, we will not be speaking about any sort of wild animals in this live stream.
Why is that?
Oh, just no reason. Just not in the mood to talk about any sort of animal, bears, deer, wolves. Definitely, we're not speaking about any wolves. I hate wolves.
Oh, no.
I hate wolves. The worst animals. The worst animals ever to exist on this earth. No, my Nuggets got absolutely just destroyed from start to finish in their game yesterday to the Timberwolves. So we're not going to be speaking.
Did you go to it?
No. Thank God I didn't go to it. I would have been asking for a refund. Would have been saying, listen, this ain't going to cut it. Dog, this ain't it. I know a lot of things that are it. This is not it. How's your morning been, bro?
Been good, man. Same old same, you know?
Same old same. Same old same. Oh, what are you watching for today? I see we made new all-time highs.
Yeah, I don't really have anything off watch. On watch off the open.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see. Bro, that trade that got me yesterday, just absolutely unreal.
It's been tough. It's not giving me any opportunities.
Yeah, it's been a little slower for sure. I mean, that's just with all-time highs. So you kind of expect it. You kind of expect it at times. Well, good, everybody. Good morning. All right, let's go. We got full speed ahead. Pro Sports, the only place where they can get away with an absolutely horrible product and keep your money 100% of the time. It's not wrong, bro. Not no. All right, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Passed my Lucid Pro 50K last night. Nice. We got 10 minutes till open. Good morning from Vegas. Good morning from Colorado. Right back at you. Right back at you, my friend. I had to order my coffee this morning because Gene is trading at the office. Wolves' defense was on point. I mean, they made Jaden McDaniels look like frickin' Aristotle. Telling time. He says, "Oh, they can't play defense," and then they come out and they just don't play defense. What? Gene does work for me, but is also a very good friend of mine. And he's an incredible trader. He's an incredible trader as well at the same time. Is this golden? Nope, this is Naztequita. Yeah, Gene's great. Does he announce when he's getting into a trade? I sure do. Sure do. We're at all-time highs. It's been a little interesting week. Yesterday was probably my most frustrating day of 2026. I mean, my goodness. That was, if they put textbook frustrating day into a trading book or into a trading dictionary, that's what it would be. I'm keeping my my rules though. I'm not moving my stop losses anymore. Until if we've trimmed, that's different. If you've already trimmed, it's different, but that's you, Brandon, in that picture. On the bright side, though, my Avalanche won. That was cool. I'm going to post that webinar from Saturday on Sunday. I have the intro. I'm going to post it on Sunday. I was going to put that message out today. I just got the intro this morning, actually, that I made. Yep. Yep, I will have that posted for you guys on Sunday. Got a Tradeify eval with code Jdun yesterday, finally. I appreciate you, Noaz. Aguar? Noaz. That sounds wrong. I'm sure you have a big ass, Aguar. Yep, Mataguapov that posted on Saturday. Like, hold on, that didn't sound right. That didn't sound quite right. Let's get it right. Let's correct that. Let's get it today. It's game time. I thought Jdun was Juan. When I'm with Gina, I'm a one. If I win one trade for the day and I'm with Gina, I'm 1 in Juan. Exact. Consistency. Good morning. He said, raise your hand if you feel personally victimized by yesterday's first trade. Yeah, I can. Yep. I got both my hands raised. I'm guilty there. But I'm very proud of myself. I didn't go until, and I didn't do anything stupid. Which I know may sound silly to some of you that are newer to listening to me, but I look at it as a massive win. Every time you can be frustrated or your emotions can be elevated and you don't act on it, you don't do anything stupid. That's a massive win. It's still live. We got 2 more minutes, y'all. Yep. If you're seeing this, so I'm trying to get something done on my phone. Trying some live. Press. Join. Let's talk. I'm trading the NASDAQ. We call it NASDAQita. I call her NASDAQita. All right, let's go, everybody. I was doing something on my phone, and now we are very close to open. Less than a minute from open. And we're here. All right, fellas, as a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, This live stream is all about DOD, which means choosing, let's get it, Grizzly, which means choosing discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, useless dopamine. Every day you come in, you follow your plan, you follow your rules, you stay patient, you wait for your confirmations, you manage your risk, and you do everything that you know you're supposed to do. That is how you turn yourself into a profitable trader and expedite your learning curve. Starts with showing up every day and following your rules. Aztequita. 1 minute chart. Okay, here we go. Now we're really ready. Now we're really dialed in. Let's find ourselves a nice winning trade today. I got a good feeling. I'm putting it into the universe. Not on no hippie stuff. We're going to put this in the universe. We're going to find ourselves a nice trade. And guess what? My copy's about here too. We got pre-market high all the way up at 27,364. We have pre-market low down at 27,060. Have I seen SCNI? Nope. I have not. I have not seen that. I seen car. That was bananas. Did you work out yesterday? Of course. There's a bear potty in the woods. Does 10-man potty sheet metal? Yes. Don't know. Bounce back day. I mean, not even from P&L, just from an annoyance. For sure. From annoyance, 100%. I injured my shoulder, so getting back to the gym has been a real uphill battle. I can't. Oh, shoulders are tough. Shoulders are real tough. Good morning. We have not done our push-ups. Maybe we should do our push-ups today. Now that I'm finally healthy again. I didn't do them for a few days because I don't want to put the extra pressure on my knee. All right, folks. We're going to get the blood moving today. Moving and grooving. So if you can get up, if you have space, I want you getting up, getting in push-up position. If you don't have the space, maybe you can't do a push-up, I want you doing jumping jacks with me. You got double the amount of jumping jacks. If you want to change your state, you must change your state, which means if you want to change your psychology, it's a very good idea to change your biology as well. And we are going to get our hearts moving with some push-ups, baby. With some push-ups. It's push-up time. Let's get it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, yeah. Woo! 20 nice pusharoos. 20 nice pusharoos. Woo! That felt good. Ooh, that felt good. Got our blood moving a little bit. I need to grab my coffee from the front door, too. Hang tight. Oh, it's freaking Starbucks, too. Not a fan of Starbucks, but today I did not have a choice. Your boy did not have a choice today because Jdun's not going to be here. I really think it just boils down, M7, to following your plan. Like today, if we get a trade, and if I find something I like, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna set my stop. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna follow that plan. If it stops me out for what I plan on, well, it's not a surprise because I had already planned on that stop the moment I took that trade. You know, you become accountable for your data. You make a plan, and you stick with that plan. Uh-oh, Paydun's in the house. Watch out, everybody. Your boy Paid on Trades is here today. Your boy Paid on Trades has showed up today, and I'm done playing around. We are done playing around. You're a superstar. You know you're a superstar. You know you're going to be disciplined. You know you're going to trade smart and trade safe. And me, I'm ready to give you that assist. You want to be Jordan? Sure. You know what? I'll give you the assist. I'll be your Pippen. You know what? I got you. You want me to come in like Durant and spoon feed you the easiest rings of your life, like your Curry or like your someone else? I got you. You want to be spoon fed? Let me go to the kitchen real quick. I got you, baby. You know what? You can throw all the Nuggets shade you want. At this point, they freaking deserve it after last night. So whatever. I ain't even got no comeback. I'm like, what am I supposed to say? No. Listen, I'm just a salty Nuggets fan. Just let me have my moment, all right? Just let me have my moment. At least I'm not the New York Knicks losing to the Atlanta Hawks. Oh. I will hear no slander from Knicks fans for the rest of the day. You guys can all hush, all right? I will hear none of it. Absolutely none of it from any sort of New York Knicks fan in the building. Nope. I will not. I will not be hearing it. Not a word, bro. All right, we almost have our 15-minute range in. We are about 2 minutes away. My main objective today is to find one nice, good trend trade. I think at this point, I'd rather see that be to the upside due to the fact that we've been extremely aggressive. We're above VWAP. I'd like to see us move above this 15-minute high, some sort of confirmation on volume and price, and move up, get a winning trade, and go about our day. For news today, I should be on top of that. We have consumer sentiment in 17 minutes. Am I looking for longs or shorts? I'm not looking for anything in particular right now besides an A+ setup. Besides that, I'm not looking for a whole lot. It's Friday. I want to find one good A+ setup, one good trade, go about my day. I did see Top Step cut their max payouts in half. That was interesting move. I'm not sure why they did that. I mean, they must be getting pressed. no firm that's winning and happy with their margins and happy with their revenue is cutting how much you can make in half. It was a little shocking. And I get it. Every firm has to do what they can to survive. And they have to manage their risk too. I understand that. But yeah, it's interesting for sure. Just yesterday, I was talking about how they had such high payouts. Oh, well, now by FFF. Yeah, we got a lot of good partners. Lucid, you can use code Jdun 40% off. Tradeify, Apex, FFF. We had a great FFF day. Yeah, so Top Step cut the amount you can make per payout in half. So let me find the chart real quick. Hold on, I'll throw it on the screen. Yeah, it's definitely kind of a bogus move. There's honestly really no reason I'd see anyone trading with Top Step now, to be completely honest, but I don't know. There you go. Big Zo posted it in chat. Don't. What the heck? Let's see here. Let's see. Let's get this. All right. All right. So as you can see on the screen, this is what happened with Top Step. They basically made it so your payout cap on a 50K went from 6K down to 3K. On the standard, from 5K down to 2K. On the 100K account, it went from 6K to 4K and 5K to 3K. And then for the 150Ks, still 6K and 5K. So they basically said, hey, you can still buy the same accounts, but we're only going to pay you half as much. Which is actually pretty crazy. I expect more from Top Step. It's actually pretty shocking. So I think I have a little merit today to talk a little tea on Top Step. We're not going to spend too much energy on it, but it is interesting. It's an L for sure. I mean, for you guys that are consistently working hard for your money and trading on prop firms, like, really, you're just going to keep trading with a firm that says, all right, actually, you know what? I know we're the pioneers of this, but you can make half as much now. So just beware. Just beware. Maybe take your money elsewhere. Like, I don't know. We got some good partners like Lucid. There's no reason, if you're trading on Top Step, there's absolutely no reason for you to be choosing Top Step now over Lucid or over Tradeify. Even if you don't like Apex, which with the new end of day drawdown accounts, Apex is incredible. Lucid and Tradeify both have incredible plans that are way more competitive than Top Step. You can use code Jdun on both of those firms too, and it means the world to me. I do my best to help you guys get funded, get paid. And you get 40% off your first 5 accounts. Yep, Lucid has Trade C as well. Yep. If you are upset about the Top Step news, you can get 40% off on Lucid for your first 5 accounts. I recommend the 50K Pro accounts to the 1-day pass. Still nothing. What is this? We got a barcode. You could take out your phone and scan this so far today. I don't want to sit here and speak about drama with Top Step, but basically, for those who are asking, Top Step changed their payout caps to where now you can only make half as much. So this is the payout caps, the new payout caps with Top Step. So if you don't like that, which I don't think that you should, there's plenty of other good firms out there that you can grow with. Lucid, Tradeify is great. Apex is incredible. FFF is making moves. We got news in 7 minutes, everybody. What do I think of TPT? I don't use them. I don't have anything bad to say. I just don't use them. I'm not partnered with them. Apex's new end of day accounts are great too. The 50Ks are only $35. The code JDON as well. Let's see if this gives us a nice trade, guys. See if we can get a nice downtrend setup. Below VWAP, below 15-minute low. Let's say we close this super strong in the next 30 seconds. 216, 270. We might get, I'm not going to have the volume we need, huh? All right, I'm going to be hesitant on taking this downside orb setup because let's look at the volume. I'm not going to say I completely won't take it, But if you were to try to enter at the 15-minute low, you'd have like 80 points of risk. That's not an option. If you wait for the retest up, this is what I'd likely watch. With stops above this high, and even then, this candle doesn't have a lot of volume, which kind of concerns me. I use NQ. MNQ might, but I base my trades off of NQ for the most part, off of the big daddy of them. NQ leads the way. Put NQ as my license plate. Brandon has that. Brandon has SPY QQQ as his license plate. If we do have a higher volume close, this could be a 2-bar. Yep, it sure could be. We're below VWAP. We're below 15-minute low. You have aggressive candle here. And then we like to see another aggressive candle here with rising volume. How much to hold a guy accountable for a while? I was seeing progress, now spiraling. Well, I'll give you some free advice. Just choose DOD. Keep your plan to yourself. Keep your promises to yourself. What was your first moment when you realized you were onto something with trading? I never had like a light bulb moment, but I think when I started consistently managing my risk and not letting losers affect me, that helped a lot. All right, let's see how we react up here at this midpoint around like 220. I'm not in love with it due to the volume, but I'm also not completely opposed. What do you see, Grizzly? You like anything here? You see anything that you're willing to take? No. I'll still watch like 220 area potentially for reject. So you see anything you like?
This kind of closes strong and rip some longs. But we got data in like 50, 70 seconds.
This is a tough candle to short. Even if we do close right up here, we'll probably be closing above the 15-minute high or 15-minute low, excuse me, pre-market low. What am I talking about? Above VWAP, and I don't think I'll be able to take this. However, can look for a retest and then potential move up too. Let's see here.
What was it? Did the data come in at? I don't want to rip some long. The data was full or something.
130, 160.
I'm gonna try some long surgery.
You beat me to it. I was waiting for a little lower to like 160, 60s.
I don't know the data. I don't know. I can see what the data come in at. Slightly better. Okay, I'm starting my positional long. Keep my stop loss.
Starting a piece of longs too.
130 is my stop loss.
Starting a piece of longs, guys. Starting a piece of longs, everybody. Starting a piece of longs. I took the longs too. Took the longs too. Come on, baby. So far, so good. My average is 170.2. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, everybody. I'm trimming. I'm trimming up here too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh my goodness. You trimmed too, Grizzly Glock? Yo. Yo. All right, now we can move our stops. Yo, that was immediate. Move my stops to 160.5. Jeez Louise. My average is 170. My stops are at 160, everybody. 160. Let's go. How about that for a 5-minute workday? How about that for a 5-minute workday? Wow. Let's go. Let's see if we can get more out of this. Immediately from 160, stops down at 130. Immediately like a 1.5 hour trade up to like 220. Just like that. Just like that, baby. Nothing like a 20-second trade. I still want more too. My stops are at 160. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see this move up. That 160 to 170 area ad was just filthy. Now we went up and tested 220. That was what I wanted to see for a reject. That was what I wanted to see for a reject. Oh, sweet. I'm in until we touch the low of this candle. Yep. Well, we'll take it. That was fine. Literally went up to PT1 like 50 points. Some of you might have even gotten filled in the 60s, so even better. It just went and wicked me on the rest of my runners, guys. I'm not in this trade anymore. Just went and wicked the rest of my runners at 160. I'm out of this trade. We'll take it. That was a good 15-second trade. We'll take that. We'll take that all day, every day. Immediate move like 50, 60 points up and then back to just below break even. I would have liked to have seen high of day and more. But you know what? We'll take that. That was nice. 700 up. How did you lose 350? That was a nice 15. That was a nice 15-second, depending on your entry, 30, 40, 50, maybe even 60-point trade. We'll take it. We will take it on today. I'm curious, how many of y'all took the 20-second trade? If you guys took that and took your 15, 20-second trim, how many of you guys took that? Let's see it. If you took it, type W in the chat. Type W. Give me a W. I want to see how many of y'all took the 20-second trade. See some W's in the chat. See how many of y'all took the 20-second trade. W's in the chat for the 20-second trade, baby. Let's go. 30 minutes into the day. Hit the longs. Price target 1 hit. No. 15 seconds. PT2 hit. 17 seconds. Let's go. Woo. I would have rather seen us not come back down. And I even put my stop a little lower. I didn't even put it at break even. I put it a few points under. And it still came. I think we're going to have a tough time with this 222. If we can build above this 222 right here, I think we can go test high day. But as you can see, we had some pretty clear resistance step into that 50% to 0.618% retracement. I don't know how you lost money, bro. I'm just being honest. Spreads. All that said, I wish it would have gone higher. I wanted to see it move up to high day. That was my ultimate goal with it. All right, let's see what else we can get. Let's see what else we can get. Whenever you guys see, again, I would have rather seen us move higher, but we'll take the scalp to start the day. Whenever you see an aggressive reversal candle, higher volume that reclaims a key level like we see here, I'll look for the retest down, like we did to 160 here, and then ideally look for a test back up. Until we break this low, I still like the longs. I think it might be a little tough getting above this, but if we can get above this 225, I think we could see some good movement up. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun to get funded and being a part of this live stream. It supports the stream, supports your boy, and I do my best to help you guys trade smart, trade safe every day. As a reminder as well, Apex is 90% off with code Jdun. If you guys want a one-day pass eval, I might have another trade in me, like Vince Carter. I might have another one in me. Use code Jdun. 90% off is back. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time on Apex. Lucid and Tradeify both are end of day. Yep. So is Apex, though. Apex is end of day drawdown, too. Up 25.50 on the week because of you. Let's go. Now you guys got a mission. Get your like goal up. If we get to 500 likes, you get that first giveaway. 600 likes, second giveaway. And then final giveaway is up at 750 for cash. All you got to do is hit that thumbs up on the live, baby. That's it. This is the move I wanted to see. But I'm happy with what I got. That was a nice winner to start the day. Let's see how this next candle confirms. Reclaim that 50%. Reclaim to 61.8. Not the greatest volume, but If we would have had higher volume on this candle, I'd arguably say you could even look for a continuation candle. You could just look for the 50% retracement here. Point of controls right here as well. Look for the long, stops below like 171 with entry at like, I don't know, like 200. And then try to move that to high a day or take that to high a day. It still might work out like that. We'll see. But we're above point of control. We're above VWAP, and we're also above 15-minute low. Don't. It is Freaky Friday. That is true. You got anything else on Watch Grizzly Glock? That was a nice trade. That wick did stop by 2 points, but at least there was profit taken prior. That's the only reason I'm okay with it. It's all right. I'd rather seen us move to high a day like we're doing now, but I'm happy.
Close, we can look for a pullback to it for our long entry.
What level's that around?
Right now it's around 240-ish. Trend line. Keep your stuff with a 5-minute close below point of control or like a 30-point hard stop.
I like it. This is the move I wanted to see. This would have been a 100-point trade. This is what we wanted to see. Bias is correct again. Honestly, though, low-key a little salt. Just low-key, though. Stop set below that previous candle, and it literally went to stop at one. Stops at 160 down to 159. 1 point. And then moved. Maybe I should be done moving my stops as a whole. Maybe it's just all or nothing at this point.
I think I'm going to go a little lighter on this one. Pretty close to full size in the first trade, so I'm going to go lighter. I don't want to earn this Friday red if it's a losing trade.
Don't let
my second trade of the week.
You had a slower week trading too.
No, my internet was out for almost 24 hours, and they sent me an email yesterday. They're like, okay, we're going to refund you $2.39 for...
Guys, I didn't say I would never move my stops. I said I'd never move my stops if I hadn't taken any profit. I'm not going to sit here and take partials and leave my stops at original, so then if the position moves back against me, it goes closer to red. What I did say and what I did mean is that I will not be moving my stops anymore if I haven't taken any partials off. If I haven't hit 1.52R. Jdun's the Luke Kennard of trading. Don't underestimate the Dawn. Thank you. He's been great in the playoffs. He's been hitting bangers in the playoffs. Yeah, that's just not. I just don't think you listen, man. You got to listen. Wow. That's not very nice, TJ. You said I'm the Steph Curry of trading. You think I'm the most overrated? You think I'm accurate in my trading? Oh. You think I'm accurate? I'm a sharpshooter. I appreciate you, bro. Any chance Nuggets come back down 2-1? Not if we play last night. No, that was embarrassing. I was so mad. Curry doesn't miss often. Yeah, I agree with that. He hits. For Tradeify, would you pick daily payouts or 5-day? I pick daily. I have 5 daily payout accounts still. The same ones. Those same ones. Can anyone go trade at the office? It to be in Team Bull. I'm still open to taking more trades. I'll be here for a bit. It's early still. I'm just chilling if nothing else. I'll chill for like another 45 minutes at least. We got a few more 5-minute candles in us. We got a mid-size one on a Friday, but I want the big one on a Friday. It's Big One Friday, and that's all that I want today at some point in this live. We're going to find the big one. I'm thinking about an Apex account or a Lucid, but I'm not sure which is better. It depends what you like. Out with Apex's new end-of-day drawdown accounts, the 50Ks are great. The Lucid Pros are also great. They're both one-day pass. They're both solid. Jdun wants a big one on Friday. Yeah. Give us a big one. Come on now. Don't let it just barcode. We don't want to see us trend up. I'd like to see us, or want to see us trend back down, excuse me. I'd like to see us trend up. Yeah, you can. Titus. Totally. Bring my knives. Come slice me. Please don't slice me. I always tell people anyone can come to the office if you're a student of mine. Just please no serial killers. If you could just like not come and kill me, that'd be great. I'd greatly appreciate that. I would say normal folks only, but I mean I'm not that normal either. So no bad vibes. How about that? As a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live on the YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all being here. If you're on you're on TikTok, hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live for you guys every single day. This algorithm is great about showing us showing our stream to new traders, showing new people the message of DOD and what we do every day. And in addition to that, I appreciate y'all going to YouTube, hitting that subscribe button and joining us there. The new video, that webinar I made for you guys is I'll have that yeah, I lost my train of thought. Jay done buffering. I'll have that posted for you guys Sunday. My guy texted me. I was responding to a text. Bro just lagged in real life. I'm acting like the Nuggets last night. Freaking A. It's crazy. P. Mir said, Jdun, if I never saw your Lambo at the gym, I wouldn't be trading 2 years later. That's awesome, bro. If you're being serious, that's dope. It's been a great networking tool. Oh, those knives are dope. Let's see here. Yeah, those knives look dope. Don't know. Oh shit. Oops. I gotta use the restroom, and I also gotta get a towel to clean this up. All right, y'all. I will be back in about 2 minutes. I gotta go use the restroom and also get a towel to clean this up. All right. I'll be back in a few minutes. Don't leave me. Order filled. I know that I'd have gotten someone. That for sure spooked someone. Surprise, motherfucker! I should have done stop filled. Should have done that one. I'm sorry. I had to make sure y'all were on your best behavior. Had to make sure y'all were on your best behavior. Just lost the house on the. Yes, I did. Had to make sure you were awake. If you weren't awake then, now you're awake now. I said, surprise, baby. Said I ran back. I'm not answering my phone. Thanks, Jdun. I got scared and punched my monitor. You're welcome. Got your boxing in for the day. It's going to be interesting to see what it wants to do now. Right now, we've just barcoded. We caught a nice entry so far for those longs earlier.
If you give us another entry, just one more trade.
One more trade. One more trade. What are you looking for? What level?
Nothing now, really. I'm just waiting to see what volume says here. I think that's area I would consider, which is has been a chop area. Is that overnight low to Asia low? 27,000 area.
It's funny. People are always like, oh, this other trader's talking about you. I'm like, yeah, there's a reason why they're talking about me, and I don't know who the hell they are. Because they're not profitable, you know? Profitable traders don't spend time talking about other grown men. Just saying. Who the hell is PK? What? Puke trading? R.I.P. Mac. My boy PK is flaming you, bro. Well, that says a lot more about him than it does about me. Weirdo. I'm like, what? Just in my style. Yep, of course they're jealous. I'd be jealous too. We get more viewers than them. We do better than them because we help more people, you know? I'm going to be posting the webinar on Sunday. On Sunday, I will have your homework posted for y'all. I don't even know who that is. How do these people find me? Let's go, Matt. You're a winner. They hate us because they ain't us, baby. They hate us because we're the biggest and the largest. That's why they hate us. That 50% retracement worked out nice. If you guys are watching this Team Bowl, that 50% retracement of this 5-minute candle worked out nicely. Again, I didn't take it. I didn't really have any ambitions of taking it. But that said, it worked out decently. We'll see how this next candle plays out. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle plays out. If we can get a nice 5-minute push down, we could potentially look for some longs as well. I think that sounds good. Chris, 10, 15%? That looks fine. 1 for 1 on the day so far. 1 for 1 on the day. It was quick. We had a little quickie with NASDAQ. It was a nice quickie, though. Nice quick trade. I love when we have a quickie with NASDAQ. Quick trade, what's wrong with getting paid fast? What's wrong with that? You don't like getting paid fast? I do. It's yesterday, better than yesterday's 0 for 0.5. If we can get some continuation on this candle, I'll look for a retrace back up and then a continuation down, guys. That's my main watch right now. Bro, I want us to find a nice trade. Dude, I know we don't talk about drama on this stream, but dude, that story with the New England Patriots coach was crazy. Crazy. If y'all didn't see that, that was just absolutely diabolical. Hollywood couldn't write that any crazier. Yeah, Justin, that was the worst part, bro. Okay, well, we're waiting for this next candle to play out. So to keep a very long story short, they got seen at like this retreat place like a few weeks ago or whatever, holding hands. Michael Vrabel and this reporter, this Diana Rusi chick. She's a sports reporter for the Atlantic or something like that. They get spotted holding hands. They're both married. They both have kids. Okay, he's been married. The coach of the New England Patriots has been married since like 1999. She's been married since 2020. So they get spotted holding hands, and they're both married after kids. Okay, well, that gets exposed, and she comes out, and she's like, "Oh, you guys are harassing us. It's not what it looks like. But I'm gonna step away from my job." But it puts out this whole piece of how she's leaving her job because it's just too much and everyone should be ashamed of themselves, basically. Well, last night, or was it 2 nights ago, whatever, or 2 nights ago, New England Patriots announced that he's not going to be attending the third day of the draft. And then afterwards, it comes out, there's a picture of them at a bar kissing 6 years ago. All right. So it's been happening for 6 years. Well, here's the absolute just most diabolical part of this, okay, is that a year after, in 2021, she has a kid. She has a baby boy. And she named her kid with her husband, Michael. She named the kid Michael after the guy she was having an affair with. She named the kid Michael. Lord, pray for that boy. Go hell no. Insane. Yeah, that was some tea. Absolutely just diabolical. She named the kid Michael. Is it even her husband's kid? I don't know. If it is or if it isn't. She named the kid after the guy she was having an affair with. And then, to make matters worse, she posted this tweet that is, she deleted her Twitter now, but on August 11th, 2021, she posted this tweet that said, "Keep looking at my almost 4-day-old son Michael while trying to figure out who are the best Michaels to ever play and coach in the NFL." No. No. Let's try to stay on topic, guys. Are we hitting the equilibrium of longs and shorts, bro? We're barcoding in a 15-minute range. Yeah, crazy. I couldn't believe it. Absolutely insane. Like some of the most diabolical shit I've ever heard in my lifetime. Like absolutely wild. So there's your dose of drama for like the quarter that we talk about. I guess we can talk about barcoding price action. All right, everyone, get your phones out and let's scan NQ and see where this barcode takes us, because we have not gone absolutely anywhere. We caught one winning trade today. And yeah, that was crazy, huh? Then if you just go watch the interviews of them, it's bananas. Like what? Look at this price action, bro. 1 for 1 on the day, though. We'll take it. You can't hear me. You should be able to hear me. You should be able to hear me. Hey, you know what they say, baby. For all the haters that come in, we pray for y'all. We want to see you win, because hate never comes from above. That's why you never see me hating on nobodies. We're on the top here. I will pray for you, though, if you're a hater. I want to see you win. Even all these goofy influencers that want to talk about me, because, again, they can't get the numbers I do. Of course they can't, because they probably can't trade. The more people you help, the more people are going to join you. Of course, they want to hate. They hate us because they ain't us, baby. We pray for them. We pray for them. Yep, let them. New here and love it. Appreciate you. Interesting candle here. Nuggets to Cancun. If we play like we did last night, I mean, not know. I honestly have no excuse for last night's game. I don't know what the heck that was. It was bad the whole game. What's up, Chris? What's going on, bro? I caught one winner from like 60 to 70 up to 220s. To any of the haters, I say I pray for you, baby. That's what. I said, welcome to the Thunderdome, baby. You're dealing with the top of the top, the best of the best. Don't know. Let's see here. The only other potential thing I'd watch is for retest down on this 50% retracement. However, we're literally still in the middle of the day. That's why you're here, huh, Ben? Yeah, you came to Daddy. Yeah, you know where the real winners are, baby. Let's go, Kai. Mr. Kai, let's go. Oh. There's like why are they sending their signal bots in here? What's going on? Yeah, baby. They know we're over here winning. They know how it is, baby. I wish we could have gotten a 2-bar out of this. If we would have gotten a 2-bar above this like 15-minute high. Yeah, Damien. I said I would. Charge them $1 to hate. In hindsight, would a trade off the retracement back to VWAP on that stronger candle would have been a good trade? Potentially. With this higher volume, yeah, I would have watched that retracement for sure. a move down, and then move back up, for sure. Would have watched that. Completely. Because we win, baby. Let's go. What's my contract size when I trade minis? I mean, ideally like 3, 2 to 3, up to like 5. If we get a nice trend move. Depends. Can you do a trade recap on why long? I can just tell you. So we had this 15-minute low here. We had weave up. We went and took this candle, aggressive move back above, strong wick, rising volume on the retest down. You try the long, rip it up. Come on. Give us trend or give us death. Give us trend, baby. Come on. You see anything you like, Grizzly Glock? Don't you dare go back down to the 15-minute range. I know, right? You fell asleep on a trade and you're funded. Well, you should have had your hard stop loss set. Always should have a hard stop loss set in every trade you take. And I don't know. You fell asleep during your trade? It's crazy.
No drinking and trading. Take a look at the delta on this one. What's going on with it? It's flat right now.
Yep, just slow. J Daddy, please, I need to pass. You need to follow your plan. That's what you need to do. You need to follow your DOD. And by following your DOD, what are you watching for? Longs? We finally closed above that 15-minute high, so good. I mean, there's a little bit of hope. It's You said you are? You trying them? Yeah, the barcode's a little risky, but I agree. I mean, we're above the.
Everyone, light size. Stop below the previous cable. Longs. Light size.
Grizzly did try. I'm not gonna take anything right now. I'm gonna keep my green unless I see something I really personally like.
I still should be a little green. I'm very light in this, but let's hit my stop. And 260 would be a good average if that's what you're after. And the volume, the delta wasn't impressive, but it was green delta, so it was worth the risk for me, everyone.
You might get it.
Oh, look at now. I looked over and looked backward, pushing up.
What have I heard about Coinbase in May 1st? I haven't heard anything about Coinbase. Haven't heard anything about Coinbase. I need to trade ASAP. Why? I need to trade. Yo, you guys are almost there on YouTube, guys. Come on. You're almost there to the first like goal. Hit that thumbs up button, baby. I help you guys every single day. Give you winning trades, good habits, good motivation and discipline tips. And all I ask is you guys hit that thumbs up button on the live. Come on. Earn yourself. There we go. 500. First giveaway goal unlocked. We'll be giving away an Apex 50K end of day drawdown account, baby. End of day drawdown account. I also appreciate you guys using code Jdun. If you want to trade with more discipline, if you want to trade with more confidence, you know the drill.
I'd like to get more out of this before trimming, but that technically that's where you should trim at first high day.
Looks like you're going to get it, my guy.
Not quite 1-to-1, but that's where we need to trim. All right. Never mind, I did trim.
Think you can, I mean, if you can get some strength here, you could potentially target that pre-market high too. It's a long shot, but pre-market high is, I'd give you like a 100-point trade. On Nasdaqita we did. Yep. Jdun, I'm trying to learn. You seem to prefer longs over shorts. Can you explain? Well, over time, if you, I assume you're new, so welcome. If you know, well, you'll come to know I love trading the downside. However, let's go take a 5-second look at the daily chart and see if. Can you see? Can you see why I have been preferring longs over shorts lately? Is there any indication that might tell you why we've been trading more longs than shorts? Because the market's been super strong. Market's been extremely strong. So I follow the trend. There is short setups occasionally on up days. I just, careful. You're going to get it this time, Grizzly. There you go. You're good. Don't say sorry. Where in CO are you? I'm learning, and your patience is refreshing after seeing so much crazy. A lot of these streamers are just crazy and drama and weirdos, man. Couldn't be me. I prefer to get money, get paid, and then go enjoy my day. On the bright side, my Avalanche are cooking. Do I run Reddit TrueTide? No. I don't do peptides. I haven't taken a peptide in like almost 2 months. I honestly didn't really notice anything. That being said, like I don't really need red. I don't really have any weight to lose.
All right, I'm gonna trim up around 300 to get there. A second trim. Yep, trim here.
Nice. I
much stop at entry though, when I'm getting it room.
30-point trade.
I'm gonna leave the red to see if we get this pre-market high. The reason I trimmed twice, we could reject this 27,300 high. We had some previous resistance there.
There you go. My winning trade was like 50 points from technically, if you got filled lower, it might have been more, but from like 270 up to 220. So got one winning trade. I am not opposed to more trades, but I'm also not going to force it on a Friday, especially after yesterday's frustrating day. I was hanging out in the shorts and just got wicked out before that massive drop yesterday. Super frustrating. It happens. It happens, but it is what it is. I just watched U.S. AFA cadets jumping out of planes while paper trading. Not a bad day. That's awesome. That sounds like a day. Done for the day. 322 times 3 evals. Yeah, if you got them, post your gains, guys. Here's the deal. I will send one of you guys money to buy an Apex Trader Funding 50K Trade Evade account. Post your gains, tag me, tag Grizzly. Say something nice. And post your gains tab in Discord. 2 winning trades in the live. Got them. Post your gains, baby. Hit that tag. Hit that DOD. Maybe I'll even give away 2. Maybe we'll give away 2. I'm feeling generous. You do be saying nice things. Jesus saves me over and over. You do. I need to go take my meat out. I'll be right back. All right. Damn, looks like we got a nice continuation candle up. Went and took my meat out. Now we're good to go. We got beef. We got beef liver, heart, and then ground beef. This is an extremely good and healthy community. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. Thanks for being a part of it. People like you is what makes this what it is. I appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all if you're on TikTok, hitting that follow in the top left corner. If you're on YouTube, hitting that subscribe button and also turning your notifications on. I'm releasing that full hour-and-a-half strategy video on Sunday, guys. Nice trade, Grizzly. 40 points. Nice job, bro. I just scanned it. It took me to your DOD vids on YouTube. That actually is hilarious. Would I take a retrace here? Probably not. Damn, imagine if it wouldn't have hit that wick by a point. That would have been a move from 160 to 260. New all-time highs today. It's possible. We'd have to get above that pre-market high. It's certainly possible for us to get above that. It's just going to probably take some time. Am I done for the day? I'm potentially done for the day. It's possible. Hey, appreciate you, Jonathan. Yes, sir. Remember code Jdun for best discounts. Apex, Tradified, Lucid, and Alpha, and FFF. My knee's so much better, bro. It's like literally 100 times better. I have been cooking again in the gym. Been getting ready for that beach vacation. Yeah, but I've been cooking in the gym. My knee's feeling a lot better. Trying to get this body intact for my beach vacation. What are we watching for? Your only real opportunity right now would be to watch for a move back down to like, I don't even know. This candle kind of sucks right here, low key. Tesla doing today? Nothing. Am I packing the jorts? Of course I am, bro. Are you kidding me? Why so glum? No, I'm chilling. I was just checking my phone. I'm vibing. I'm vibing. This is still my favorite button. I've pushed it on all the accounts. I got an arm day today, baby. Sun's out, guns out today. Sun's out, guns out today. Have I ever used Robinhood? Of course I have. We should have the lava lamp. You know what? The lava lamp is on. Someone asked about the lava lamp. Lava lamp is on, baby. I can't hold it up because it's really hot, but I got the lava lamp on, of course. Of course we got the lava lamp on, baby. Oh yeah. You already know we got it on. Come on now. You thought this was a game? Nice job, Beck. Great message, my bro. Much love. You could short, just be careful. I always say that unless you have clear confirmation of risk, I always say be careful. Be careful shorting the trend or fading the trend, I should say. Yep. Alpha and Lucid are both great. Is NVIDIA the one pushing up the NASDAQ? Oh, yeah, she is. Holy moly, 209. I mean, textbook breakout, too. Look at that. Look at this breakout. Hold on. Look at that. Move up. Coil, coil. Strong 5-minute candle right here with rising volume. Above VWAP. Move up. Yeah, that's beautiful. Were you saying something, Grizzly?
I just asked the Team Wolf if we're gonna get a 100-point trade out of this. Keep pushing. I want 100 points.
I think you might.
That's from pre-market high. As soon as we get pre-market high, I'm gonna shut down my computer. Go eat a steak. My exact plan.
Let it keep pushing.
I'm not showing my stuff at all yet.
Nope.
I guess I should.
Let it run, baby.
Now I want to get that pre-market high. 100-point trade on a Friday. Sounds like a good way to head to the weekend.
Yep. $320. Cooking. This is technically a 2-bar right here. I'm more than likely done for the day. However, this technically does constitute a 2-bar. Should be a pullback to like 302 with stops at like 290. If you wanted to catch this trend with a little higher risk. DOD is very important. So this would be where I'd look for longs with stops below 290. Again, I'm not taking this. I'm going to be done for the day more than likely. We'll see. I have about 15 more minutes. But this is, technically speaking, what I'd look for. So you'd have like, what is it, 90 to 15, like 15 points of risk. At all-time highs, it's just a little riskier. You could even go with a little more risk down to like 285 as well. Let's see if this 2-bar ends up playing out. A little sketchier being up in this all-time high area. I prefer to trade it when we have a fast trend or specifically downtrend. We'll see.
All right, Tingle. Still in this trade, I got my stop in, and I have my limit order set at pre-market high. Take full profits on this trade. Now I'm done for the week. I gave you 3 winning trades this week, 0 losers. Everyone hear me?
What do you say, Grizzly Glock?
Just tell everyone bye.
Are you leaving? See you, bro.
Yeah, I'm still in this trade. I just got everything set up. It's on autopilot now. We'll see you all Monday morning, bright and early.
Let's see. Please. Damn, we'll see how this 2-bar goes. Looks like she's going to go. You have the 2-bar hit. That 2-bar did indeed hit. It's a textbook example. Let's see the risk. Let's say even had it down to like 286. It'd be at like 1.5R right now. Not bad. Not bad. Only 1 for 1 for me on the day, but still. Because I already made my money today. I'm chilling. And this might continue moving too. Don't. I got about 5 more minutes and I'm out of here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, let's go pick 2 winners from the Post Your Gains tab. We don't have many entries today, so a very high chance of winning. All right, for our first winner from the Post Your Gains tab is going to be, let's see who put a lot of effort into this. All right, first winner is going to be Mr. Jesus Saves Me Over and Over. Took my second payout yesterday, qualified for another today. Today brought my total drawdown back to 5K between 3 fundeds. This community is absolutely amazing and life-changing. Let's go. Congratulations. $35 winner for an Apex Trade of 8 50K account. Winner for Apex Trade of 8 MD account with code Jdun. Let's go. Damn, he's already sent it to me before. That's crazy. He's already gotten It's already been a winner. And the second winner is going to be... Let's see here. Let's find another winner in here. Let's hit Shmoney. He said, Jdun, this is the Lucid Pro account I won from you last week. I passed the eval and making progress on the funded now. I can't tell you how grateful I am for this community and you and Grizz teaching me how to be patient and implementing DOD all day, every day. Have a beautiful weekend. God bless. Let's go. Winner 2 was Shmoney. Shmoney. Lifetime member as well. Let's get it. Damn, back to back. These people, they keep entering and they win. That's how it goes. All right, YouTube. Now, for your guys' giveaway, I need y'all to type out your Venmo or your PayPal. I'm choosing one of y'all to win right now. Type out your Venmo or PayPal. I'm going to pick one of y'all to win. One of y'all is going to get picked to win, baby. Nope, no Cash App. Venmo or PayPal. All right, 5, 4, 3. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun with all your prop firm challenges and using DOD when you are trading them. Best possible discount. Supports your boy, supports the stream. And I love helping y'all learn, level up, and win. Code Jdun works on Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, FFF, and Alpha Futures. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Mario Sotioro. Congratulations, Mario, with the dub. $35 for an Apex Trade of 8, 50K end of drawdown account. It's coming your way very soon. Mario Sotier IOU. Congratulations, Mario. Nice job, my boy. What the? I cannot remember how to spell. All right, let's get it. Community is growing. Growing every day, baby. Just made 20K on AMD. Mario Sotier. That account doesn't exist, my friend. Sorry, Mario. You got about 2 minutes to get your right account in. Otherwise, someone else is going to take your giveaway spot. I'm sorry, my friend. It's not a valid Venmo. Spin the wheel. Got 1 minute to figure it out, my boy. Otherwise, we're picking another winner. Your boy needs to go eat. Hungry. Well, if you don't send it in time, someone else gets picked, my boy. It's a competitive world out here. All right. Doggy Dog World, we're picking one more winner. Type your Venmo in chat. Type your Venmo in chat. I didn't hear back. This $35 is going to someone else who is ready. Let's get that Venmo type. I'm gonna pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! We got Elijah Rigdon. Hold on. Before I unpause this, let's see if Elijah's got it right. At Elijah Rigdon. Rigdon, the Don. There we go. $35. Congratulations. Apex 50K trade of 8. End of day. These accounts are awesome, man. You're going to love it. Using code Jdun. Honor system that you will get yourself an account. Use it. All right, guys. All right, y'all. I'm going to be out for the day. All right, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. And I will see you guys on the flip side. All right, Team Bull? I appreciate y'all being a part of the community. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right? Well, he wasn't fast enough. Too slow, baby. Too slow. You get a minute to reply. If you don't reply, it's on to the next one. Like it, great. If not, be faster next time. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. We give away accounts every single day, and you don't reply in time, you miss it. Tough luck. I'll see you guys on Monday. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Winning trade 1 for 1 on the day. Adios. Adios, 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 adios. Adios. Let's go. Let's go here. Adios, TikTok. Hasta luego. If you guys have any questions, you can always DM me on IG as well at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on IG. Send me a DM, and I'll see you guys later. God bless y'all. Peace. Bye, everybody. Adios, adios. Adios.